The benefit of streamlined C4ISR training is quite simple. When everyone has completed the exact same task and test, they are on the same page in challenging situations. And that alignment is crucial for mission success. With SitaWare Aspire, you get a fully standardized digital training platform that ensures a common ground for all your trainees. Everyone goes through the same set of exercises and is guided by the same digital instructor, leaving nothing to chance. All SitaWare Aspire courses include hands-on exercises in the operational SitaWare suite to provide trainees with the chance to explore the functionalities in the most realistic environment. The courses are continuously updated to match your current versions of the operational SitaWare software, and they have been developed and validated by domain experts with extensive operational experience. This is your guarantee that the training is both realistic and relevant. Whenever a trainee completes one of the courses, they receive a certificate that proves that they have met the training targets, a concrete token of their C4ISR skill sets, and a key to enhancing cooperation.